Platform 4 for the 10:33 Airlink service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford East and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford East. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Change here for trains to Stepford UFC and Whitefield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 3 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
This is Stepford East.
Platform 2.
This train is for Stepford Central.
Stepford Connect.
The next
Service
station
to
will
Leighton
be
City.
Stepford Central.
Calling at St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Central. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Central. Change here for trains to Beachley, Stepford Victoria and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.